Technically, speaking, if the ladder breaks or if you fall, it's better if you jump in one way than just hang straight down.
God damn, my ass is too big for the seat.
You got this one. It's all you. It has your name written all over it.
A little lower.
Lower? Here?
Alright. Perfect. Oh, this is stuck.
Now what is coming in for support?
Is it a light? No, it's a little crack.
Where?
Up here. Up where the mouth is. What? We're gonna be talking shit. My face is on your painting.
Are those drawings or pictures?
Neither.
Both? The bottom one looks like a picture, but the top one looks like a drawing, and the one with the black eye looks like a
Oh, black guy.
drawer.
Black guy?
Black eye.
Oh, black guy looks like she didn't listen.
Yeah. Oh, me made more.
They got another piece.
More money.
Uh-oh. Tomorrow come back and December again? Crooked stock. Face is crooked. Oh, good one! Mine's still like he's so crooked. Look worried, bro. I like your face crooked. What do you want this one? I'm sorry.
Well, either the painting is crooked or the wall's crooked, one of the two.
We taped that.
Bam! I caught that in action.
Oh, what?
I'm jumping down. Do an epic scene. Not that epic.
It's good you don't want to take the butter?
There you go. Do you want me to stop?
Yeah.